Good morning, everybody. Here we are for a nice mindful walk in the forest. We're just going to go nice and slowly here and listen to the birds, feel the wind, feel the ground beneath our feet, just appreciate nature at its finest. Look at this beautiful green trees everywhere. It's a nice trail here in the forest. Can enjoy everything. Lots of lovely sights and sounds. We're hoping to see a woodpecker on our route today, so keep our hopes up for that. But in the meantime, we'll just walk mindfully through the forest here and just take it all in. All the colors, the sounds of the birds, of the water, of the creek, the forest. Lots of nice bird sounds out today. And the wonderful colors, beautiful green off the sunlight here. Just in a trail in the Pacific Northwest, North America. So you can see they're doing some work, but it's pretty nice and peaceful out here. Let's see if our woodpecker friend is around. Looks like he's just up there having a break. Don't know if you can see it. Oh, there he goes. Flying away in the forest. Gone. There goes our woodpecker. Anyways, continue walking along the path. Just taking all this beautiful nature, very fresh air out here. Lovely sound of a creek running beside me. Just the nice, soft kind of trail floor beneath my feet, which makes it nice and easy to walk on, low impact. And yeah, just look at these trees. Some of them are pretty tall. It's good. It's very good for the brain to be out here in nature, just walking around, enjoying it, sights and sounds. And that's pretty much it for this morning. Just wanted to take you on a little nature walk. Just a few minutes long here to get your day going. But wish everybody all the best. Nothing but love, kindness, compassion. Hope your day goes well and take care. Bye now.